If it is that you're looking for that one company in the Nigerian exchange that is emerging with solid foundation for growth and its operation is attached to different sectors of the economy, then each rally could match that of Nvidia in the year 2025, because that seems to be the best performing year for Nvidia Corporation, then this video meets you well. Eunisell Interlinked PLC is an engineering and technology solutions to diverse sectors of the economy, which includes power, energy, and infrastructure. On the other hand, Nvidia Corporation is a United States of America based multinational company, right? Its core business is GPU, that is graphic processing units, which are used for artificial intelligence, data centers, gaming, etc. for all electronics and electrical devices. Down in the description, there's a link of a video which I compared the revenue growth, the earnings per share, the profitability from 2024 down to 2025, and I showcased the similarities in their performance in these years that the comparison was done for. So to watch the full video of this thoroughly done analysis, kindly check out the link in the description below, and you'll be glad you did. And on the second hand, Eunisell Interlinked PLC has performed extremely well right from the time that video was recorded down to this period. It has done about 4 to 5x right from that time. So that's to show you that the fundamentals of this company is appropriate, is hands-on, and it's not volatile, doesn't go up and down. It's a solid company that is steadily increasing its share price and is profiting its shareholders.